Hi, my name is Simon Hassan Rier. I am hardworking and creative person. Currently, I am studying in Department of Multimedia and Creative Technology at Daffodil International University. I have completed my SSC from Ideal Preparatory and High School with a GPA 4.33 out of 5, and I completed my HSC from Srivardhi Government College with a GPA 4.75 out of 5. Throughout of my university life, I have developed my skills in game development, graphic design, AR/VR, and video editing. I have also developed my skills in softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Illustrator, Autodesk CDX Max, Autodesk Maya, Unity, and others. Recently, I participated MCT Film Festival 2025. In this project, I was producer and we achieved runners-up positions. I involved myself with my university's club. I am treasurer of DIU Creative Park and also member of DIU Skill Up Club and Astrophysics Center. I have a work experience with Amazon Specialist and Google as a survey analyst. I have attended many workshops like 3D design and printing, DIY Fab Lab, and game asset design in my department. I am passionate about 3D industry. I want to be a 3D artist. So this is my overall journey. Thank you so much.